Hi Fire Signs! What's up? Kamusta po kayo lahat? So, I hope everyone's doing amazing. So, Fire Signs, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, kamusta kayo lahat? And sana nasa mabuti po kayo lahat na kalagayan ngayon. So, for today, Fire Signs, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, titingnan natin kung kamusta ba ang inyong love life from September 1 to the 7th. Tingnan natin guys kung kamusta ba ang inyong love life, anong mga sitwasyon, anong nararamdaman ng person mo versus sa'yo. Take note as well that this is just a general reading. So, maaari po siya makaresonate kayo. Maaari din namang hindi. Only take what resonates, leave what doesn't. And also, please don't forget to click like, share, and subscribe para din po makakita pa kayo ng mga bagong uploads natin in the future. Okay? So, Fire Sign, September 1 to 7. Kamusta naman kayo? September 1 to 7. Kamusta si Fire Sign from September 1 to 7? Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. September 1 to 7. Narinig yung kantang I'm still holding on to everything that's said and done. Cause I don't wanna miss this forever. Anyways, narinig ko siya. Baka maybe it resonates with you. It's like, parang hindi nyo maiwan yung isang tao kasi it means a permanent goodbye na, something like that. But anyways, let's go ahead and check kung kamusta ba. Okay. Ang inyong September 1 to 7. You have your intuition or inner knowing. Wait, lapit ko lang ng konti. Yan, intuition or inner knowing. Baka meron kayong malaman. Okay? Meron kayong kutob, meron kayong madiskubre. From September 1 to 7, merong mag-shed ng light, I'm hearing. Okay. You also have your relationship connecting. So, definitely about sa isang connection na maaring hindi mo kasama physically yung person mo. Maaring may distance kayo emotionally and physically. Maaring may malaman ka. And hook up, one night stand. About possibly, I don't know if your person is hooking up with someone else. Okay? I don't know if there is someone else in the mix. Okay? Maaaring nalaman mo na nakipag-hook up ang person mo with another person. With a third party perhaps. Okay? Okay, so let's go ahead and check Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Kamusta ba si Aries, Leo, Sagittarius ng September 1 to 7? So, 2 more shuffles. So, comment kayo guys kung nakaka-resonate kayo. And also, please don't forget to click like, share, and subscribe. Okay? Para din po kumalat pa algorithm na to. Itong video natin. One more. Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Show me what I need to see. Show me what I need to see. Okay, pwede na sa bata. So, kamusta ba si Aries, Leo, Sagittarius on September 1st to 7? So, you got here the 4 of Wands. Okay, Fire sign, celebration, achievement, success, victory. So, maaring meron masaya ka by September 1 to 7 in your love life. Maaring may finally, ganong energy ako nakikita. Finally, maaring merong finally nangyari sa progress ng isang relationship. Maaring meron nangyari. Maaring, I'm seeing here, maaring nilet go na ng person mo yung connection na burdening sa'yo. Maaring tapos na, putol na. Yun yung naririnig ko. Okay, 6 of Pentacles. Someone is giving something to the other while sa other person hindi naman nagbibigay. Okay, something is unfair maybe. So, you've got here Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. So, maaring you're dealing with in Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, and Taurus or Virgo, Capricorn as well. So, maaring matagal mo nang inaawat yung person mo na tigilan na yung isang tao. Is what I see. but it always ending up failed. But maybe this time they listened. That's why you're celebrating. Yeah, something emotionally fulfilling will happen. Okay, sa love life mo, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius from September 1 to 7. Okay, merong mangyayaring emotionally fulfilling. I think mas magiging devoted sa yung partner mo. Kung feeling mo lack siya before, maaaring bumalik na sa dati, is what I see. Meron din dito siguro may baby involved sa situation. 2 of Cups, I think yung person mo nag-wander and been into a connection, no? Another connection. But I think they're stopping it. Na tinitigil na nila yun. Okay, yung pakikipag-collaborate nila with another individual or pakikipag-connect nila with another individual na maaari nakilala lang nila sa kusaan, possibly sa work, because the 3 of Pentacles talks about work, collaboration. So, maaring alam mo yun, maaring na-meet niya to doon and then naging sila and then now nagsistop na siyang mag-give ng attention dun sa person. Maaring may nangyari between them na nag-cause ng ending, separation, maaring masyado na silang toxic, maaring there's stagnancy and poverty in the situation and they just chose to end the relationship kasi hindi na sila nag-work. Then we got here Ace of Wands, Fire Sign energy. By the way, this is Capricorn energy. Fire Sign energy, RC or Sagittarius ngayon, nalaman mo ay sobra kang natuwa, na-excite ka, ganyan. And I think, parang ikaw yung nagsasabi na, finally, natauhan din. Yun yung naririnig ko, no? Finally, babalik na rin siya sa akin. Magsisimula na kaming ulit. Parang nakikita mo na this will be the start of something new between you and your person. Like, parang ito naman talaga yung plano eh. Yun yung narinig ko. Yun naman talaga yung plano. Then, you've got here the Fool card. Okay, so, nakikita mo lang hindi na babalik sa person mo dun sa ex-person or another person. And I think, na-stress. Okay? Maaring na-stress ka ng sobra sa situation na to. Feeling ko ikaw tong sobra-sobra na-stress. Fire sign, RC or Sag about a certain situation in your love life. And parang feeling mo makakabawi ka na dun sa stress na nangyari. Okay? With the Hermit card here, you could be dealing with a Virgo as well as Gemini, diba, Aquarius. Sorry pala kung patalon-talon ako sa signs. But it could be any signs naman kasi. Okay? So, with the Hermit card here, nakikita ko dito na na maaring yung babae, yung third person, yung sumuko, and meron ka nalaman sa kanya. Okay? Merong isang truth ang na-reveal about them or about the situation that they have with another person and they chose to leave. Okay? They chose to give up. They chose to end a situation maybe with your person. With the Emperor card here, this is the card of Aries. What I'm seeing here is finally magle-let guard down ka na about a situation. Kasi parang I think matagal mo tong ipinaglaban, matagal mo tong parang pinanindigan na lumaban hanggang huli. To the point na naapektuhan na yung mental health mo and emotional health mo. Okay? Kasi sa ginawa ng person mo. Then, ayan o, mental torture. Someone here, pinapatunayan niya na siya mas magaling. So, maybe you're involved in that situation. Maaaring may nagsasabi sa inyo na itigil nyo na yung sitwasyon na yan kasi nga nakakasakitan na kayo, but you're very determined. I see you very determined to fight and you have fought for a long time, I think, dito sa situation na to. And we've got here the 3 of Wands and now you're turning back your situation from the past and ready to start anew. Okay, nang wala tong asungot na to, wala tong person na to. Okay? How does the person of Sagittarius, Leo, and Aries feel about them? Ten of Pentacles. So, they acknowledge na kayo yung family nila. They acknowledge na sa inyo sila dapat. And maybe, matagal na kayong either kasal or nagsasama ng person na to. Maari ding may mga anak kayo or masasabi natin basta maaring kayo pa ng mga teenager or medyo young adult ages nyo, no? Ano naman ang nararamdaman ng ating fire signs with their person? Yung brother Ace of Swords. Ayun nga, yung parang feeling na relief. Okay, na finally, nalaman ko na rin totoo. Wala na yung asungot, wala na yung problema ko. Okay, sa akin na yung person ko and magko-commit na siya sa akin. Okay? What else is it to find out? Page of Swords, King of Cups, Three of Swords, the Judgment. Bantayan mo lang yung person mo na baka bumalik pa dun sa dati. Pero, feeling ko naman wala na to ng matagal-tagal. Okay? Mawawala to ng matagal-tagal. Medyo, bantayan mo lang yung person mo sa pagiging sketchy. Again, with the same person. Okay? So, let's see kung ano ba ang gustong sabihin ng person ni Aries, Leo, Sagittarius with them. Ano ang gustong sabihin ng person ni Aries, Leo, Sagittarius with them? Sa'yo na ako ulit. Pasensya ka na kung dinrag kita sa isang situation na kailangan mong mag-adjust. Okay? Feeling ko kasi validated ako by that move. Okay? The Hangman. Alam ko na nilagay kita sa isang sitwasyon na nahirapan ka. Okay, na na-stuck ka. Okay, and parang nawala halos lahat ng swerte natin. But things are turning. Okay, things are turning and asahan mo na aayusin ko yung sa atin. Ano pa ang gusto nilang sabihin? I'll be starting this new beginning with you kasi ikaw ang asawa ko at ikaw ang maaring nanay or tatay ng anak ko. And I want this to last. I want a long-term connection with you. Sorry kung nag-cheat ako. Sorry kung pinaasa kita. Sorry pero magbabago na ako. Is what I get. Okay? So, there. That's what I get from you guys. Now, let's get some advice cards from our tarot deck as well. Fire sign, you've got here, reach out to others with love and compassion. So, reach out to others with love and compassion. Huwag ka daw masyadong maging parang siguro nadadala ka ng sitwasyon. Fire sign, don't come from a place with full of bitterness and grudges. Reach out to others with love and compassion. Okay? Try mo pa rin mag-listen sa side ng isa. Okay? Huwag ka lang maging one-sided. Huwag ka lang maging about yourself. Reach out to others with love and compassion. Okay? So, that's all I have for you for today, Fire signs. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the reading. Please don't forget to click like, share, and subscribe para din po makakuha pa kayo ng mga bagong videos natin in the future. Thank you so much, Fire sign. Have a good one. Bye!